Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing the question number 12. This is the last question of this exam. Okay, so we are given that this integral, my goodness, where is, oh yeah, sorry. This integral, uh, e to the power 2x dx from 0 to a, this is equal to 50 and we need to find the value of a. Okay, so you can see the left hand side. This is equal to integral of 0 to a e to the power 2x dx. So if I integrate it, it's going to be e to the power 2x over 2, right? It's always a good practice that whenever you integrate something, make sure by differentiating this that it is equal to the same thing back. So if I differentiate this part, it's going to be 1 over 2 is constant. I will take it outside. The derivative of e to the power 2x is e to the power 2x into derivative of 2x, which is going to be 2. So that cancels, and yes, I have e to the power 2x back. So this is the right integration. Okay, and it has a limit from 0 to a, right? Okay, so 1 over 2 is constant. I will take it outside. When I put upper limit, it's going to be e to the power 2a. And when I put lower limit, e to the power 0 is 1, right? And this is equal to 50. I should not write left hand side because I'm just solving it. Okay, anyway. So from here you can see that e to the power 2a minus 1 is equal to 2 times 50 is 100. And e to the power 2a is equal to 100 plus 1 is 101. And if I take natural log on both sides, it's just going to be 2a is equal to natural log of 101. And a is equal to 1 by 2 natural log of 101. So this is my final answer. Okay, I hope it's very easy, very clear to everybody. Okay, now we will do this question. A curve is given, a curve is such that its slope is this thing or derivative is this thing and it passes through this point. We need to find the equation of the curve. So basically we have this information and this information, and based on this information, I need to find the curve, which is y is equal to something, a function of x basically. Okay, so I will start this way. dy is equal to 3 minus 2 cos 5x into dx, right? Now I will integrate both sides. So integral of dy equals integral of 3 minus 2 times cos 5x into dx, and since I'm integrating it, I will have a constant of integration as well. So on the left side, I will have y only. On the right side, I have 3 into dx, right? Similarly, minus 2 integral cos 5x into dx plus c. Okay, so integral of dx is x only, right? Okay, minus 2. What's integral of cos 5x is going to be sine 5x over 5. Okay, so let's integrate, differentiate this thing. So it's going to be 1 over 5 is constant. The derivative of sine x is cos 5x. And the derivative of 5x is 5. So that 5 cancels with this 5. And yes, I get this thing back. So my answer for this one is sine 5x over 5 and plus c. So slightly simplifying it, 3x minus 2 over 5 will give me 0.4 sine 5x plus c. Okay, so I have found the equation of my curve except this constant c. So that I can evaluate using this condition that my curve is passing through this point. Okay, so it means when x is pi by 5, y is going to be 8 pi by 5. Okay, so y is going to be 8 pi by 5 if my x is pi by 5. So 3 times pi by 5 minus 0.4 and sine of 5 times pi by 5 plus c. So you can see this is okay. Okay, I have 8 pi by 5. And if I take on the other side, minus 3 pi by 5 equals, this is minus 0.4 and sine of pi only, right? 5 cancels with 5. So this is sine of pi, and sine of pi is 0, right? Why? Because remember, sine graphs, the curve sine goes like this. So this is 90 and this is 180, which is pi radians. So at pi, it is 0. Okay, plus c. So 8 pi by 5 minus 3 pi by 5 is going to be 5 pi by 5. So this is pi only on the left side, and on the right side I have c only. So the value of c is pi. So my final answer is y is equal to 3x minus 0.4 sine 5x plus pi. So this is my final answer. Okay, the equation of the curve we were looking for is this thing. Okay, clear? Now, the last part is that find the integral of y. Remember what was y equal to? It was equal to, we found it as 3x minus 0.4 sine 5x plus pi. So when I integrate integrate y into dx is same as integrating this whole thing, 3x minus 0.4 sine 5x plus pi into dx, right? Okay, so if I split it, it is going to be 3 integral x dx minus 0.4 integral sine 5x dx and plus pi integral dx. So if I simplify it, this is 3 and x integral is x squared by 2 minus 0.4, and how the integral of sine 5x is going to be minus cos 5x over 5. Okay, let's make sure by differentiating this thing is going to be minus 1 over 5 is constant outside. Derivative of cos 5x is minus sine 5x, and the derivative of 5x is 5. So 5 cancel with 5. Yes, I have sine 5x. Same thing. So the integral of this thing is minus cos 5x over 5 and plus this is pi x. Let me simplify it a little bit. It's going to be 1.5 x squared minus 0.4 over 5 is going to be 0.08, and this minus minus become plus, and cosine of 5x and plus pi x. Okay, this is our answer for the first part. Find y in integral of y dx. Okay, now the second part, enhance evaluate this thing. Okay, now if I need to evaluate this thing y dx from pi by 2 to pi. So basically we have already integrated this thing. So I have this 1.5 x squared plus 0.08 cos 5x plus pi x, and I have limits of this thing from pi by 2 to pi. Okay, I don't need to integrate it again. I can just substitute the limits like this. Okay, so when I put the upper limit, it's going to be 1.5 and pi square, right? I am replacing x with pi. okay, plus 0.08 and cosine of 5 pi and plus pi times pi is pi square. Okay, so I get all these things when I substituted the upper limit. Minus, now I will put a lower limit, pi by 2. So it is 1.5 and pi by 2 square is going to be pi square by 4. Am I right? Okay, plus 0.08 and cosine of 5 pi by 2, right? And plus pi times pi by 2. Okay, so here I have pi square and 1.5 pi square. It will become 2.5 pi square. Okay, and this thing, okay, remember the graph for the cosine, it goes like this. It starts from 1 and goes to 0, -1, +1, -1, +1, -1, +1, and so on. So this is one cycle, so this is 2 pi. Okay, and this is pi. So you can see at pi it is -1 and 2 pi is +1. Similarly, 3 pi is -1 and 4 pi is +1. So whenever it is the pi is five odd number times, it's -1. So this cos of 5 pi is going to be -1. So it becomes negative 0.08. Okay, so this is my first bracket minus. Now here, this is also pi square by 2. So this is half and this is 1.5. So it all comes out to be, I did this calculation. It is going to be, yeah, 3.5 over 4 pi square. 3.5 over 4 pi square. Okay, 1.5 plus, sorry, 1.5 over 4 and plus 1 by 2. So this is 2 by 4. So this is 3.5 by 4, yes. Okay, so I put this and this together plus 0.08. Now what is this? 5 pi by 2. You see, this is pi by 2, right? And this is 3 pi by 2. And this is 5 pi by 2. So whenever we have a multiple of pi by 2, it's going to be 0. So this is 0 basically. And that's it. So I have only few things, 2.5 pi square minus 3.5 over 4 pi square. So when I simplified this thing, it gave me 13 by 8 pi square. And then I have minus 0.08 only. And the numerical value of all this thing is 15.96. Okay, so this is my answer, that integral of y dy from pi by 2 to pi, it is going to be 15.96. Okay, I hope you understand everything and you enjoyed it. If you have any question, okay, this is the end of this paper, right? So if you have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.